Thompson and I love working with AutoCAD. I'm sorry to disappoint you though right at the outset. If you're looking for cat videos or hair tutorials, you won't find any of those here. I know nothing about how to do hair, as you can see, and I actually prefer dogs to cats. However, if you're looking for videos which explain about AutoCAD, how to use it, how to be effective with it, how to use the various commands and functions, then this, so to speak, is where it's at. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, because from time to time I upload new videos, either about general AutoCAD subjects or about subjects which particularly interest me at the time. So if you're subscribed, then you'll receive notification when such things are uploaded. Feel free also to contact me if you have any questions in general about AutoCAD, about the videos which I post here, or especially if you want to know something about my services as a CAD trainer, whether online or in-house. Yeah, just drop me a line. So feel free to subscribe, feel free to contact me, and